People spend months trying to find a good event space location, driving around, scrolling through endless listings, second guessing everything. So today, I'm gonna show you how I do it in this video live, going through my exact process to find profitable event space locations in America. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. I am going to be finding a commercial event space property. And the reason and the purpose behind this video is because a lot of times people get on calls with us or whatever the case may be, and they're just like, oh my God, I can't find a property. My state is too small. My city's too small. My this, my that, and everybody thinks they're a special snowflake. So the point of this video is to really show you guys how easy it is to find a property in every single state of the US. Or of course, if you feel that you can't do it on your own, tap in with us at Event Space Elites. Of course, if you are an aspiring event venue owner, go to eventspaceelites.com, grab the free guide. It's a 7-step guide that breaks down how to find, fund, and fill your very own event space. Or if you want to get there faster, get there farther, there's going to be a link on the following page to help you apply to work with us directly. All right, let's get into it. So I've got a list right here of every single state in the US, and then I've got handy dandy LoopNet ready to go. All right, let's jump into it, right? So first things first, we got Alabama. Now, obviously, every single state has like different cities or whatever the case may be. I'm going to just keep it broad, find a space in the state, right? Alabama. I also thought about going with like the capital, but then again, like not every single state has popping capital or whatever. I just didn't really think like it made that big of a difference. So we're just going to do the whole state, find a property just to kind of show you guys the process. So that's the most important thing here today, right? We want to look at the process. So first things first, you already know I'm going to jump into my space uses, restaurant flex, blah, blah, blah. Now, I know a lot of people are probably wondering like, okay, cool. Like, how do we determine a property? Like, Brian, I don't want you to just find a random property. Like, I want to make sure that it goes ahead and works for my business. It's going to make me money, obviously, right? What do you think we're doing here? We're not just doing this for shits and giggles, right? So all the filters that I'm putting in are the same exact filters that I'd be putting in to find any property for an event space client and event space elites. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Now you see, I have 500 plus results. Let's go ahead and narrow this down just a little bit. Current map area. So 291 results. That's pretty good. I like to see at least 100 results. Of course, if you can get more, that's good. But whenever I see like 500 plus results, I know I have room to kind of narrow things down a little bit more. Excuse me, usually narrow down by the price. But we have a lot here to work with. So let's start drilling in. Okay, let's move this over a little bit. Cool. All right. So again, just to kind of reiterate, what are we looking for, right? Open floor plan, negotiable landlord, all the works. Okay. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be working with spaces that have actual photos, like as you can see right here. Normally in Event Space Elites though, because we have a full dedicated team to this, we go ahead and just, even if it has photos or not, we still go after those properties, right? So which is why in Event Space Elites, we're able to help our clients get into properties a lot quicker, a lot faster, a lot sooner. So, but again, for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to be looking at properties that have interior photos. This one's 3,000, 9,000 square feet. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Workspace combined 7,000. So I see that says 3,000, 9,000 square feet, meaning that it can be subdivided. Okay. Let's see what we got. Again, for the purpose of this exercise and for this video, I am going to I'm going to pick a property that like I love. So if I look at a property and I'm just like, it could work, but I don't love it. Like I'm going to find a property that like I really love. Like, okay, cool. Like I want to look at this property like tomorrow. Okay. That's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. So if I don't see that, we're just not going to move forward, right? This I like. This is nice. I like this. Let's look at the price per square foot. This one has 3,000 square feet, $9 a square foot per year. I love that. They've got a Matterport right here. Okay. So I love me some Matterport. Wow. Okay. 3,000 square feet. Okay. Let's see what else. Unit 606. Okay, this could work. I'm not in love with it, but it could work. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and find a property that I absolutely love in Alabama. Okay, let's see. This is in Birmingham. Shout out Birmingham, Alabama. Videographer, I think, is actually from Birmingham. Okay, no interior photos here. Let's look over here. Okay, nothing over here. Let's see over here. Vestavia Hills. Okay, cool. Let's see what this is. Okay, standalone building. We love a standalone building. Tons of parking. Okay, I like this. And the reason I like this because it's a nice open floor plan. Floor is already done, so I don't have to do too much. Yeah, it's got low ceilings, but the electricity is already done. I don't have to worry about anything like that. This could absolutely work. I like this. And let me look at that price per square foot. $26 a square foot means I know I can probably get it down to maybe about 18, 20, maybe a little bit lower. Now, again, if you guys are watching this video, I don't want you guys to go ahead and call up April and be like, oh yeah, well, Brian told me to go ahead and offer 18 and 20. Brian did not tell you to do that. I said I would like to get it for that, but this is exactly why we go through a process.
process, right? We have an offer calculator, we have a list of questions. This property might damn well be worth $26 a square foot, but we would have to go through our process to go ahead and determine that, right? Which is what we do in Event Space Elites, okay? So, but yeah, I like this property. Vestavia the Hills is a Vestavia Hills. Never even heard of Vestavia Hills, but I like this property. It's a standalone property, tons of parking. I would move forward on this.
Look, the people who win this business aren't the ones who find the perfect space. They're the ones who know what to look for, move fast, and do not overthink it. If you want help with the next steps, negotiating a lease, getting funded, filling your calendar, grab the free guide in the description. It walks you through the entire system. And if you're serious and want hands-on support, apply for a call with my team. We'll build you a custom plan and show you exactly how to make this happen. Money back guarantee if we don't help you find a profitable location. Links below. Let's go.